Did he have a mouth plate? What happened to the mouth? Hey YouTube man, it's Galvatron here, the freaking self. Today we're gonna review of G1 Transformer Legacy United G1 Triple Change Leah Class Sandstorm. Here we are, and there he is. And folks, former always look at quick passing there. Transformer Legacy Unite G1 Triple Change of Sandstorm. Sandstorm the buggy. 3-in-1 Transformer. The top here, Transformer Legacy United. There's a side here. And the Sandstorm Legacy United artwork. The bottom there. Languishes, hooray! And back there, the 40th anniversary, 19th step, and the 33 step, and one small part for you. And that's basically it for the packaging. Move on along there. We have Sandstorm, the buggy, and got the Autobot symbol there. And Cybertronian buggy. He got a rubber tire. Hero. Got with those orange paints, got a lot of orange there, and got dark orange and black paint and a silver paint, and got a yellow wind light shield, and they got the K. For the comparison, here it with Springer, so I'm turning a car. See, still the toe scale with a tail spread. And there it with Generation Sandstorm on so now this for the accessory. He comes with his small gun for the cartoon and his black gun from the with his toy hat. It might go over here. I don't know what small gun go. Let's see. Might go like here, maybe. So I think it might go right here. Just let me know where you might put it. Over here. Alright, let's get for transformation, shall we? Alright, what am I gonna do to change the helicopter? Gotta move that K and need you to take this off. It's now going to just put this. No, it's going like here. Then there. Now for change the helicopter mode. Take this off. Come. There you go. What are we doing? See the instruction was my goal is like the time when I go down the middle like that. Now to take this when it's on. You just put the connect this thing. And the helicopter blades don't want to break this. Come on, hold on a second. I try the instruction, because this is hard to transform it to the helicopter. So, anyway, is connect this. Is what in what am I doing? What the heck am I doing? Hold on. Gotta take this head out first. Now close it up. Come on, close. Ah. Hold on. Sorry guys, it's take too long, because this is hard to transform those helicopter mode. I know how to transform that. And you have the helicopter mode. Look at this. It's got a black windshield and it's got a black headlight, and it got the black window, side of the window here. And it got black tailspin and helicopter blade. It's on it goes to the road. So on side comparison, here it is with say Springer. See, those are the language is tall scale. And there is with Generation Sandstorm. I don't got no G1 Sandstorm. And now for cover accessory. Other today where you but and this I'll put that is hanging and take this off. Now get to the robot mode, shall we? Let's I'll put this helicopter blade and open up and turn the helicopter blade around on. And now take his arm out and take the tire pull the leg. Come on. Ugh. Take the feet. And now for the the lights for drop. Hold on. I take so long as that because light would fall down. Now is to open it out. And now we'll take the hand out and same the rest. So take this hand, twist it. And we done. We are done. We're done. There you have Sandstorm in his robot mode. Sandstorm borders whatever. It was bad. Anyway, look at the Nike head skull. Got blue eyes, mouth plate. It's from the toy hack. Supposed to be had the cartoon. Yeah. And had an Autobot symbol. And got this orange paint. Got a black leg. And his feet on his feet. And silver paint. And ankle. And now for the articulation why his head, all this don't have stool joint. He didn't look over and he's looking down. His has shoulder joint, got shoulders, and he got elbow joint and his leg, split up his leg, his knee had joint, he had feet joint, his leg, his feet has joint, no feet swivel, his leg have a swivel, his rib has swivel, and that's, and his arm had a swivel joint, and his wrist has swivel, and that's it for the articulation. Now for the accessory, it comes with this cage. He put it back. Am I gonna put it right here? Come on. Yeah. You might hold it. And that was good. You poo poo bang bang poo poo bang bang poo poo bang bang. I was gonna put right in his arm. It's Blues compellable. The Blues compellable. That is of the Blues. And there you go. Now for the comparison period with Springer. He's staying tall. His aim got tall. Oh. Here he is with Earthrise Prime. I forgot the Earthrise Prime in the vehicle mode. But it's alright. And here he is with Generation Sandstorm. And there he is with his buddy, Titan Return, Octane. We need this upgrade, Octane. Age of the Prime. Come on, Hasbro. I need a more Age of the Prime Octane. And get to the final thought. Final thought. So you can look at the Legacy Unite playlist some more. And so, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget the bell icon notification. Click thumbs up. And click the description down below. And so, this is Transformer Legacy United Leader Class G1 Triple Changer Sandstorm. And so, this is Galvatron saying, you stop playing toys, you grow, you stop playing toys. Be geek, be proud, and we roll out.